Cutting carbs can have fantastic health benefits. In particular, the effectiveness of cutting carbohydrates to significantly reduce appetite has been proven. This leads to automatic weight loss without the hassle of calorie counting. There are also many carb-free foods that you can eat without a guilty conscience when on a low-carb or no-carb diet. At least 23 studies have shown that low-carb diets generally lead to greater weight loss than low-fat diets, sometimes up to 2 to 3 times greater. Cutting carbs may have many other metabolic benefits as well. Here are 12 foods with zero or almost no carbs. 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most nutritious foods on the planet. They're loaded with all kinds of nutrients, including important brain nutrients and compounds that may improve eye health. They contain almost no carbs. 2. Meat. Meat contains almost no carbohydrates. One exception, organ meat like liver, is about 5% carbs. Beef and lamb are very filling and loaded with important nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. Lamb is generally high in the beneficial fatty acid called conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. Chicken is among the most popular meats in the world. If you're on a low-carb diet, then chicken may be best to choose especially the fattier parts, like the wings and thighs. Pork, and especially bacon, is a favorite for many people on low-carb diets. But read the label and avoid bacon, which is cured with sugar. Other low-carb meats are turkey, calf, venison, and bison. Before moving further, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. 3. Fish and seafood. Fish and other seafood tend to be incredibly nutritious and healthy. Be careful, of course, with fish rich in mercury, etc. Prefer wild fish and avoid industrial fish if possible. They are particularly high in vitamin B12, iodine, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that many people don't get enough of. Like meat, just about all fish and seafood contain almost no carbohydrates. Zero carbohydrate fish are salmon, trout, and sardines. 4. Goat cheese. Goat cheese is an excellent choice for someone following the keto diet. It contains zero carbs, making it a great way to hit your macros. 1 ounce, about 28.35 g, of goat cheese also offers 103 calories, 8 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 6 grams of protein. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. In addition, cheese made from goat milk contains less lactose, a naturally occurring sugar in dairy, and proteins that are different from cow's milk, which makes it easier to digest. Other very low-carb cheeses are blue cheese, cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese with 0.7 gram, 1 gram, and 0.7 gram per 100 grams carbohydrates, respectively. 5. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a great condiment for the keto diet. It contains high fat, low protein, and zero carbohydrates, which makes it a perfect choice for a low-carb diet. In fact, it's a fantastic low-carb condiment, great for any diet. 6. Green olives. Green olives are high in polyphenols, antioxidants with anti-inflammatory benefits than black olives. Green olives have zero carbohydrates content. Other fruits very low in carbs are a turnip, rhubarb, and lemons. 7. Asparagus. Asparagus is a very delicious spring vegetable. It is very high in fiber, vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin K, and carotene antioxidants. It is also very high in protein compared to most vegetables. It contains only 2% carbs per 100 grams. Other nearly zero-carb vegetables are spinach and chanterelle. 8. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very healthy fat, loaded with medium-chain fatty acids that have powerful metabolic benefits. It has been shown to reduce appetite, boost fat burning, and help people lose belly fat. Other low-carb fats are avocado oil, lard, and tallow. 9. Coffee. Although demonized in the past, coffee is believed by some to be very healthy. It is in any case the greatest source of antioxidants in the diet, and coffee drinkers are less likely to fall victim to certain serious diseases, including type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Make sure not to add anything unhealthy to your coffee. Black coffee is best, but a little high-fat milk or heavy cream is acceptable on a low-carb diet as well. 10. Tea. Tea, especially green tea, has been studied very carefully and proven to have all kinds of impressive health benefits. It may also slightly stimulate fat burning. 11. Soda or carbonated water. Sugar-free soda is often just water with added carbon dioxide. It is perfectly acceptable as long as there is no sugar, aspartame, unhealthy preservatives, etc. Read the label to be sure. 12. Herbs, spices, and condiments. There is an endless variety of delicious herbs, spices, and condiments you can eat. Most of them are very low in carbs but packed in powerful nutritional value and help add flavor to meals. Some notable examples include salt, pepper, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, mustard, and oregano. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down.